Hello buddies, I want to show you all an interesting hack to mince your meat using your blender. So this is literally what you need to do. Transfer your washed beef into your blender. Ensure that there is no too tough part of the beef. The beef doesn't have all those tendons, ligaments and all that, okay? And add in some water. Then you place this blender on speed and you start blend till the texture that you want and you have your meat thoroughly blended. And in case you don't like it with the water, you can transfer into a muslin or cheesecloth or into a net sieve and drain out the water. But who wouldn't want to use the water? So I'll be using this beef to make my meat pie, my Nigerian meat pie or beef patties. So guys, this is literally the simplest way or the easiest way to blend your beef with a blender.